How to change your password in WordPress. Log into your WordPress account and you will see this page. On the dashboard under Plugins, hover on Users. Click on your profile. Scroll down to Account Management. In New Password, click on the Set New Password button. Set up your new password. For example, engage branding at 1234!#. The password must be strong. Click on the Update Profile button. Log out of your profile and log in with the new password. That's it, you have successfully changed your password in WordPress. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.